As per the 2016 WHO report, the number of people with diabetes has increased from 180 million in 1980 to 422 million in 2014. Diabetes is a silent killer and leads to three major pathys or disease conditions, namely retinopathy, nephropathy and neuropathy, which cause considerable morbidity and mortality. Early diabetic retinopathy starts with small red dots called microaneurysms and can progress to leaking blood vessels, causing thickness of retina and blurring of vision, or new blood vessel growth that can bleed and cause blindness. Diabetes is the leading cause of kidney disease. The classic description of diabetic nephropathy is of a progressive increase in proteinuria in people with long-standing diabetes, followed by declining function that eventually can lead to end-stage renal disease. Detectable sensorimotor polyneuropathy will develop within 10 years of the onset of diabetes into 50% of people with diabetes. The major risk factors for neuropathy are elevated blood glucose levels, elevated triglycerides, high body mass index, smoking and hypertension. Eon Formulations proudly presents 3PATHY. 3PATHY is a rational combination of alpha-lipoic acid 200 mg, gamma-linoleic acid 100 mg, folic acid 1 mg, vitamin B12 500 mcg, vitamin B6 25 mg, vitamin B1 1.5 mg, lutein 3 mg and zeaxanthin 3 mg. These vital ingredients in 3PATHY treat three pathys: retinopathy, nephropathy and neuropathy. ALA, that is alpha-lipoic acid in 3PATHY, is a powerful antioxidant. ALA neutralizes free radicals in both the fatty and watery regions of cells, in contrast to water-soluble vitamin C and fat-soluble vitamin E. And ALA functions as an antioxidant in both its reduced and oxidized forms. ALA has the potential to prevent diabetes and prevent chronic hyperglycemia-associated complications such as neuropathy. The enzyme aldose reductase plays a key role in the development of cataracts in diabetes. ALA inhibits aldose reductase activity. ALA prevents early diabetic glomerular injury and may provide more protection than high doses of vitamin C or vitamin E. GLA, that is gamma-linoleic acid in 3PATHY, is an omega-6 polyunsaturated fatty acid known as PUFA and is conditionally essential fatty acid. GLA enhances smooth muscle relaxation and vasodilation. In a double-blind, placebo-controlled parallel trial of 111 patients with mild diabetic neuropathy, patients were given either 480 mg GLA or placebo daily. After 1 year, GLA-treated patients showed favorable improvement in all parameters, including hot and cold threshold, sensation, tendon reflexes, and muscle strength compared to placebo. Folic acid in 3PATHY is a dietary requirement as humans cannot synthesize and is involved in a range of metabolic and nervous system biochemical processes, including DNA synthesis. Folic acid works in concert with vitamin B12. A methyl group is donated to cobalamin B12 by 5-methyl tetrahydrofolate, forming methylcobalamin. With the help of the enzyme methionine synthase, methylcobalamin donates a methyl group to the amino acid metabolite homocysteine, converting it to the amino acid methionine. Methionine subsequently is converted to S-adenosyl methionine, a methyl donor involved in numerous biochemical processes. Folic acid is useful in peripheral neuropathy, myelopathy, and restless leg syndrome. Lutein 3 mg plus zeaxanthin 3 mg in 3PATHY belong to the xanthophyll family of carotenoids and are two major components of the macular pigment of the retina. The macula lutea, or yellow spot in the retina, is responsible for central vision and visual acuity. Lutein and zeaxanthin are the only carotenoids found in both the macula and lens of the human eye and have dual functions in both tissues to act as powerful antioxidants and to filter high-energy blue light. Vitamin B12 or cobalamin in 3PATHY is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a very fundamental role in DNA synthesis, optimal hemopoiesis and neurological function. Clinical and biochemical vitamin B12 deficiency is highly prevalent among patients with both types 1 and 2 diabetes mellitus. 3PATHY is indicated in pre-diabetes, diabetes, and diabetes with complications like retinopathy, nephropathy, and neuropathy. The dosage of 3PATHY is 1 capsule twice daily. 3PATHY is available in a strip of 10 capsules and 3 such strips in a pack. 3PATHY is manufactured by Eon Formulations, which is certified by WHO GMP. Eon cares life through focused science into service.